Unlike last time I traveled with Stormy, I brought complete and balanced pre-made raw, but this time I will be bringing 80-10-10 grind 𝗣𝗲𝗏 raw. I love them. If you do choose to order from them, you can use Stormy 10 to save off your order. I will need to bring some supplements. I have some iodine, zinc, nutritional yeast, and then I'll bring some frozen blue mussels and vitamin E, etc. It's still in her fridge right here, so I'm just waiting until the morning to pack that. And we're gonna be gone for 5 days, so I'm going to be bringing 4 bags of 𝗣𝗲𝗏 raw, and they'll be all different proteins. Since we are going to be in a cabin versus a hotel or somebody else's house, I can pack a little bit more stuff and be a little bit more prepared. I have a topple in there for Stormy and a snuffle mat, and I'm also bringing her collapsible kennel as she's more comfortable eating in there, just so they can be as happy and as comfortable on this trip as possible. And I am mega procrastinator, and it is currently Saturday, December 18th and at 9:45 p.m. and we're leaving tomorrow, the 20th at noon, and I have not packed it all, so we're gonna go pack now. The dog's food, I have it in this little cooler thing. I'm bringing a bunch of 𝗣𝗲𝗏 raw and 𝗣𝗲𝗏 raw 𝗓s, and then also some frozen blue mussels for their manganese source. And I'm also bringing primal patties just in case. I don't think I will run out, but just in case we are extra active, I'm bringing these just for emergencies. 줄 잡고 있어.
그렇듯 하루를 마치 이른 시간 되면 마치 만신창이 올라굴을 찾아 헤매다 보면 어느새 저기 날아가는 족새 어느 세월 따라잡지 않은 생각만 두려워 족새 채워진 난 벙어리가 돼 이렇게 한참을 쫓다 지붕만 쳐다봤다 쫓던 강아지의 심정 이제 정말 내 심정 쉴 새 없이 날아드는 종말 견제 그룹이 이룰 넘봐 싶지 않아 가끔 난
Run down 걸레 기도해 그래도 결코 포기할 수 없는 나만의 거리에 기도해 나만의 삶이란 생존 게임 넘어 어떤 의미 찾아 달려 오르막에선 이미 달려
어나 쉬고 다시 뛰면 다리가 풀려 내 머릿속 난 이미 저막혔어 home still 노리네 어나 몸에서 노리네 바로 내로에서 땀내
사람들의 오감이 정리하는 하나 초조팽이 노숙자 물에 빠진 숨지 마냥 그게 뭐냐 대체 뭐냐 너의 부모님이 너 그러고 다니는 거 아시냐 모르시냐 표정과 시선으로 내게 말해 사람들 가득 찬 도시거리
nothing under there.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every Roman's loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard that. Magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the note.
Oh no! Did it fall?
Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Some people want to take what they want you to do. But I'ma live my life, why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you, push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell push through you. I'ma take and push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be, from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing, no. You cannot hold up my